More now on the pandemic. The CDC says the Omicron variant was responsible for 99% of new COVID cases in the last week, and despite lesser symptoms, health experts are warning now is not the time to be complacent. CBS 4's Brooke Shafer joins us live from Jackson Memorial Hospital with troubling news about possible deaths in the next few months. Brooke, good morning.
Maribel, good morning. A South Florida doctor told us that in Miami-Dade, for example, COVID cases are right now 5 times higher than they were with the Delta variant. And she said with so many people getting sick, many are inevitably ending up in the hospital.
Even though it seems that when people are infected with Omicron, they have about half the risk of being hospitalized. Because we have so very many cases, our hospitals are actually even more overburdened than they were with the Delta variant.
Dr. Mary Jo Trepka is an infectious disease expert with FIU. She says the Omicron surge can have dangerous results. While symptoms of this variant are generally less severe, it's spreading more rapidly, with some people getting sick as soon as just a few days after exposure.
We usually don't see those deaths show up in the data, that is the numbers, until about a month after we have our peak.
The COVID-19 Forecast Hub combined data from 30 different models and forecast 50,000 to 300,000 more Americans could die from COVID by as soon as March. 300,000 people would be the same as filling Hard Rock Stadium almost 5 times.
Vaccines have worked incredibly well in terms of preventing severe illness with Omicron, particularly if people have been boosted.
The latest numbers from the CDC show Miami-Dade has a positivity rate of 29%. 2,200 people were hospitalized with COVID in the last week. In Broward, the positivity rate is also 29%, with about 1,400 hospitalizations in the last week.
So if you look at people hospitalized in Miami-Dade County, for example, the vast majority of them are unvaccinated people.
And Dr. Trepka told us that people who are vaccinated are ending up in the hospital, but she said most of them, the majority of those vaccinated people in the hospital with COVID-19 never got their booster shot. I'm live in Miami. Brooke Shafer, CBS 4 This Morning.